Morning everyone, it's John here with azWHOLEistic in the CBD studio and dispensary in Phoenix, Arizona. Wanted to do a quick video on how to get the most from your pain cream. So any topical that you put on your skin that has CBD in it is good for pain. It helps to reduce inflammation, it helps to go to the site of the inflammation and the pain, and it helps to reduce inflammation in that region. It also helps to limit pain. Now, the pain in the area obviously calls from some distress, some type of inflammation, some type of chronic issue going on in the area, whether it's arthritis or bursitis or a pulled muscle or a strained ligament. CBD definitely can help reduce that inflammation and pain. What I'd like to do though is briefly tell people about how to get the most out of your CBD because it's expensive. All the CBD that we carry in topical form is all natural emollients. We just actually got some new samples in from some other companies, and we were looking at the ingredients and we thought this is actually kind of strange because there were so many different strange, odd ingredients in these materials that we thought it was important to share with people. So our pain creams are all natural emollients. There's no extra added junk in there. Isopropyl alcohol and diamethylene isosapatate. It's just crazy, some of these different chemicals, and while some of them may have organic compounds to them, many of them have been synthesized. So when you use your pain cream and you put it on the area, let's say we've got a strained wrist or bursitis or arthritis, and you obviously are rubbing it on the area. The CBD soaks into the dermis of the skin, and it's going to go to work in that area to help reduce inflammation and pain. But once you're done with your material, most people wash their hands. Now, the residual CBD that's on your hands is now going down the drain. So what I actually do, and I thought this might be of value to some people, is after I put my pain cream on my feet, because I have nerve damage from playing hockey for so many years, and I do have a little bit of neuropathy, after I rub it on my feet, I actually dip my hands under running water, just a little bit, and then I'll rub my hands together, get the residual information, all that CBD molecule, and then I'll rub it on my neck or my shoulder or on my elbow that's a little bit sore. So don't waste the CBD. Don't let it wash down the drain. After you rub it on the main area, just dip your fingers under water a little bit, rub your hands together and get all that residual CBD, that's still good quality material, and rub it on another area, maybe on your sciatica or your lower back or even your hips from standing all day like we do here at the store. Hopefully that's of benefit to you guys. I know it works really well for me. What it does is it lets my pain cream last about 30% longer. And I think that's a value. So hopefully you guys can share that with other people and get the most out of your CBD. Thanks so much.